Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain that how we can generate random numbers in Python. So far we have done the installation of Python, installation of Anaconda and IDE Spider, and Anaconda have multiple options. And then we have talked about the very important two libraries, Pandas and NumPy. And then in the previous video we have learned that how we can check the current working directory and how we can change the working directory. So this was something basic which is necessary, for to make the environment for working with the Python. So now we are able to do something like generating random number calculation, data analysis, visualization, etc. So today we will try to learn that how we can generate random numbers in Python, and then how we can visualize those numbers as well, as you can see on the screen. So to do this, let's open Anaconda and then Spider, and then we will navigate to that particular folder. So this is just right Ana, and as you can see Anaconda. Let's open this, and then this random number you will need this for many purposes, various purposes in your analysis, and multiple times you will need to generate random number from different distribution. Today we will talk about how we can generate from normal distribution, but you can do this for multiple distributions. It's not difficult. Maybe we will talk about other distribution in the next or some other videos. Nothing today. But if you learn from normal distribution, then of course, I believe you can do for any distribution. So you need to know, Spider. So you need to know a little bit about the distribution, that what are the parameter of the distribution. That's important in that case, because you need to mention the parameter. And the number of observation you, this up to you, you need 50 observation, 100,000 or whatever. Okay, this is Spider. Okay, this is the previous code, changing working directory. I don't need this now. And let's open, go to file, click open, then click navigate to the directory we are working, and then Python random number generation and yes. I think this is not my script. Let's check the other one because I have another one as well. It's new. I think this is fine. Okay, so let's see. You can see the command. I'm just assigning x1, and then I'm generating data from normal distribution. And this is NP is from NumPy, and you already know this. The link to the playlist is given in the description of this video, so you can see about the previous videos, because that can create an environment for you to work. So NP is from NumPy here, and random.normal, this is from normal distribution. 5, this is the mean, 1 is the standard deviation, and 100 is the number of observation. Remember, this is very important. And I already talked about other distribution. You should know the parameter of those distribution to draw a random number from that particular distribution. I will try. If I have time, then I will record some other videos about other distribution as well. But if you know one then you can do with others. However, you need to know about the parameter, the distribution. X2, again, the same procedure. And 10 is the mean now, 2 is the standard deviation, and 100 is the observation. Observation are 100 in each case, but I'm just changing the mean and the standard deviation so that I can see the variation in the mean as well as in the variance. So let's try this to draw this 100 number and save in the variable x1. X1 will have 100 values with the mean 5 and standard deviation 1. So let's try to see this. Oh, it's not working. Name NP is not defined. I did this intentionally because I want you to learn that you need to call numpy. Import numpy as np and then you can run this command. You will see no problem. So this is important and I did this intentionally. So let's run this and then you need to run this. That's fine, no problem. Now you can see the data. You can see the data by print x1 or only write x1. This is the data. You can see the whole values. Yeah, like this, 100 values. And you can see the mean is just around 5, little more or less because of the variation. So x1. And now similarly, you can draw x2, x3, x4, x5. And you can see x5 as well, and the mean will be around 35 in this case. x5. Yes. Yeah, more or less because there is variation is much larger as compared to the first 5. So yes, this is. And you can use also print command to see if some variable you want to see. Yes, so this is print as well, same thing. So this is that how you generate random number in Python. Now I need to plot these values and to see, to compare, because visualization is the strongest way to see the pattern in the data and compare the data, because I can see 100 values for one variable maybe, but I cannot compare so easily. Visualization, you can compare very easily those values, those variables. For this, I need to call this library, this one. So you need to run this command, and then you can just plot PLT. Yes, I call this library as PLT. So PLT.plot x1 label is dataset1. This will be labeled dataset1, and color blue and line style is this one. So just try to run this. So this is, and this is the symbol of the data point. Let's make it bigger. Okay, the first one is like this. Now run the second, third, fourth, fifth. Yes, and then now you can add labels. So title, plot X label, add labels and title. So this means X label will be time. Suppose this is a time series data. Y label is values. And then plot the title is line plot. Here we are plotting a line plot. So you can plot this together, and then you will see this plot will show you the whole plot. So you can see this is something like what you wanted to plot. Okay. Okay, so I think we need to add legend as well. I want to see how to. Okay, let me open another file in which I have this. This is, as we need to have that as well, that's important. Okay, just copy here. Yes, so this is something like this. Yeah, this is not a good idea. It is on the data set, and the data set is much larger. I mean that 5 data set, and the data set should be 1, 2, 3, not 1, because it show that each one data set is 1. So you can change from here 4, 5, and suppose I am drawing only 3 data sets, so then you can just line just for the simplicity to explain it. So then you will see, okay, only okay 3. Then you can see, yeah, this is now easily, you should plot like this, not on the data. So this is all about how we can generate random number, and the comparison was just an additional thing. So this is how we can generate random number in Python. So I think this is enough for today, and see you in the next video. Ciao.